We should be on in next 2 minutes. So good evening, everybody. Today is 6 o'clock. We changed the time from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock for today only. And we are yet again over here with another topic. Something that always has touched my imagination is the secrets. I've always sat down and said, ये राज की बात है कि हमारे अंदर बहुत सारे राज हैं. What is happening in our life where we are constantly keeping these secrets, and why are they important in our life, and how do they serve us, and how do they actually create a profile which then gets carried from generation to generation. And I've seen that these secrets create more problem in life than anything else. हमें लगता है कि हमने छुपा दिया. We really believe कि छुप गई बात. Reality में कुछ भी छुपा नहीं है. The universe puts it right in front of us, and we have to deal with it. So I'm very, very grateful to Gopu sir, to Shahina, Sumita, and Pari for being here. And I'm really grateful today because आज मेरा मूड नहीं था काम करने का. सुबह सुबह मैसेज आया कि काम करो. राज की बात ये है कि आज मुझे काम नहीं करना था. But then I got out of my siesta and said, करो बेटे. There is a requirement, and that's why there is an आवाज कि कुछ करो. तो वहीं से शुरू करते हैं. एंड आज के let's start with Gopu sir. Again, he's the only man on the forum today. I'm very, very grateful to him. If he can introduce himself and what does he think about secrets? Thank you.
Thank you, Anu. It's a very nice topic that you have chosen. I am a consultant and a coach, and also help people to scale up their business. I also do engineering and rather company re-engineering kind of work, and help people to grow their business. So, secret is a lovely topic because secret, everybody has secrets. Not only that, there are house secrets, there are non-house secrets, and there are what to say, worldly secrets. So I would divide them in these three categories. There are some personal secrets, there are some home or traditional home secrets. Secrets can also be related to recipes like food or a drink. So some people don't want to reveal the secret recipe, as it's called. It can also relate to life. There are secret recipes for life, how to lead a life, how to enjoy life, or how to get out of trouble. So it's a lovely topic. It is so varied that you can dabble on it for a long time. Thanks, Anu, for having me on the panel.
For that, let's go over to Sumita Mendirata. Sumita, if you can introduce yourself and what do you think about the word secret? And today's creative was made by Sumita, so thank you so much. Teamwork,
Thank you, Anu.
guys. Yes.
Yes. So, hi everyone on the platform and on Facebook. I'm Sumita Mendirata. I'm a consultant clinical psychologist, counselor, a remedial tutor, working with children, teenagers, adults since past 18 years, with the experience background of working with different modalities like emotional freedom technique, matrix pre-imprinting, and also I use Brain Gym. I'm a movement facilitator for Brain Gym. So, Anu, today's topic, like we were discussing, and it just came out that. So, I believe secret is something, which is getting created, at the first time, because there is something you feel that you can hide out. And like as kids, when we play games, so how we maybe teach children, or maybe as adults there are, we are telling the children, let's play this game, the hidden treasure, so I think for a kid, the kid doesn't know it is a secret, at the first place when the child is born. Somewhere we are exposing the child to a phenomenon of secrets. And from there, the creation and the child, he or she, thinks that, oh, is that something which can be hidden also? And, from there, I think the existence comes. So, though the purpose is very in a playful manner, like peekaboo, we play with the children, and we hide our face and then we show our face. So I think it's a very plaything which comes, in a general manner. But somehow it is taken by, as for adults, secrets are like, it's like, we want to live with them, and definitely it creates problems there. So that's my take on it. Thank you.
So much for that. Let's go over to Shahina. Shahina, are you there? Shahi?
Yes, Anu, I am here.
Very
There is
good.
lots of disturbance in the background, so I chose to keep my
No?
video and audio.
Yes.
Okay.
If you
So actually, my understanding of secret was, so when you said that today's topic is secret, I thought it is about law of attraction.
Oh, that's somebody else also put that. Why not? That's also a secret. But
So
action, we
yeah.
are looking at how we keep and use secrets in our life. So, Shaina, if you
Hmm.
can introduce yourself to the audience and then speak about what you think about the topic, that would be very helpful. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, my name is Shahina Sheikh. I'm a corporate trainer. I'm also an NLP practitioner, and I learned different modalities from Anu. Now, for me, secret is anything that you are uncomfortable sharing with other person. You can keep it as a secret. So I personally don't think keeping secrets or keeping anything hidden is bad thing. It is absolutely as per my comfort level. If I'm comfortable sharing with someone, I will share. Same thing if I'm uncomfortable opening up in front of somebody, I would hide it. And I feel it is absolutely right thing to do. It's my choice. What to hide, what to show, where to speak, where not to speak, it's my choice.
Wonderfully explained, and very various aspects I've got so far. So yes, absolutely, it's our choice. It's a choice कि हम क्या छुपाएंगे, what will we hide, what will we keep going, how will we show ourselves. Very well said. Let's go over to Pari, and she's my little angel, and so is everybody here on the platform. I love Shahina, I love Sumita, and I love Gopu sir, and it's so amazing to have these amazing friends on the platform. So
We
Pari,
love
over
you too, Anu.
to you. If you can introduce yourself, who you are, Pari, and what do you do for professionally, and what do you think about secrets? Raz ki baat kya hai? You're muted, sweetheart. You're muted.
Hi everyone. So I'm a recruiter. I recruit for national level hiring. Then I'm also into natural skincare. I'm also into perfumes, and now I'm getting into a tea blends.
Wow. Wow.
And secrets, it's again completely depends what you want to hide. Now, say for example, if I talk about business, I can't give my business secrets to the another person, like you have to do this and that. Now, I am a kind of person who do at times, who get carried away and help the person, then it comes to me. But otherwise, secret, and if in case it's a family secrets, complete depends how much you are, at a comfort zone with your family members, because not every time a person can be at that comfort zone where they can, share each and everything, what. So it completely depends with friend. So in front of every man, you are a different person altogether. In front of your family, you are a different person. You hide or show something else. In front of your friends, you are something else. In front of your office colleagues, you are something else. And in front of your clients, you are something else. So secrets are always there.
Wow. So well said. I never thought that this topic will take us like this. I mean, so well said that Pari is saying that it depends on, like how Shahina said, it's about the choice. But Pari said something even more significant. She's saying that she's a recruiter. Is she going to give her business secret to people? You know, so it feels as if hiding is as important integral part of our life as much as exposing or showing off or putting up. So one side of the spectrum is that you're showing off, you're removing everything from the shelf and you're putting it across and telling people, this is who I am, this is what I am. And on the other hand, you want to hide certain aspects. Maybe it's in business, maybe it's at home, maybe it's about your personal life. So what, Gopu sir, what do you think is the need of hiding and showing? What is the purpose of these two spectrums?
Yeah. So Anu, in terms of hiding or showing, I would say it is like a pack of cards when you're playing a card game. Certain cards you are allowed to show, certain cards you are not allowed to show, and you keep it very close to your chest. And that's the secret card, or the joker, or the trump, whatever you want to call it.
Yes.
Similarly, life is a game. I could relate it to a game of cards. So, for example, let me give you an example of Coca-Cola, for example. Coca-Cola came out way back so many years ago. And even today, I am told that the concoction that they make, or the mixture they have of Coca-Cola, which is the base, and on top of which soda or water and so many things are added. That's the business secret. Nobody in the world knows the real contents of that mix. Nobody knows that. So that's this well-kept business secret. Similarly, it can relate to food. Worldwide, there are so many dishes which are signature dishes, as they are called, which have a secret recipe. Coming to life also throws a lot of challenges at us. So certain times we need to keep certain things a secret. In business, could be a business deal or a transaction. Since I am in the business field and I deal with people and transactions, I know that certain things are very secret, or it is kept very much hidden in the books, or hidden in the hearts, or hidden in the minds of the business people. Those are not let out to, and maybe uh, a few people, a coterie of people will know about it. If it's a huge organization, maybe the chairman and the MD only will know about it. Similarly, I am told that in South Africa, the gold mining which happens there, or the diamond cutting, diamond mining which happens there are a lot of secrets to it. How the mining is done, how the gold is retrieved, how the diamond is found, and then how it is cut, polished, whatever. There are a lot of trade secrets that are there in that industry as well. So women buy jewelry, but they really do not know what is the secret behind that product, how it is produced. So life is full of secrets. It belongs, it is created by human beings, and certain things, even nature has secrets. So it's a very topic, Anu. We can go on and on for hours on this.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. I mean, I never saw this side of it, to be really honest. I've always given topics on secret, but I've always taken it to the health side. And I never really thought, oh my God, so many secrets can be there. And they can be called signature dishes, and they are, the top prioritization can be a secret. So let's go over to Pari. Pari, why do we need to hide some things, and why do we need to show some things? Why are these two spectrums for? Looks like life is about showing some, hiding some. What is that about?
It completely depends. So what you want to show it to a world. Like say, for example, because what happens now when you are showing too much of something of your, so the people think that, the person is showing that, he or she knows too much, even if you're not saying anything. So, and if you're hiding too much, then also like, he or she has so much of attitude that the person doesn't want to show. And second thing, in the business, a lot of times it happens like, you say something, but the person take it, be it personal or professional, both of side. You say something else to help them, but the other persons may think like, no, he or she is telling lie because he or she doesn't want me to, go ahead. So it's not about that. Most of the time, it's not about hiding the secrets. It's more about like, better to be quiet and see what is happening. Because too much of reliving also, the other person thinks, whatever either the person is showing off, or else it's like, the person doesn't doesn't want us to grow, so the person is lying. And
Wow.
there are certain things it's better, if we keep it with ourselves, because we know who we are. We can't be the same person in front of I may be like, my behavior with you can be different, my behavior with Gopu sir can be different, my behavior, it depends upon the situation, and most of the time it depends upon the situation as well.
Absolutely.
If we talk about the personal things, it depends upon the situation. Like, because maybe my bond, like I can tell you, there are so many people, they may not go and tell a lot of things about their professional life to their, in the family, like the parents or their wife or someone, but they are very comfortable sharing it with their friends, because they don't want their family or the wife to, or the parents to take a stress of what my husband or what my son is going through, or what, why the offices are. They may, start putting all the questions and all, why you are, going through all these things, or you should handle all these things, whatever.
Absolutely.
So it's better to go and, discuss with your friends, because they will not judge you on those parameters. They will not tell you anything, to ye kar, to ye kar. They will just listen to you, and that's what you want most of the time.
Absolutely. And it looks
Abhi,
like,
say for example, so it all depends. And business guy, something like, at times, if say for example, I don't want to share something which I have created, maybe at least for initial years, till the time, they start getting, like a lot of people, they don't go for copyright or a petition, this thing, because they know the moment they go for it, they have to disclose each and everything, what all ingredients are there. So better not to go, because even if the person wants to copy you, they cannot copy the 100%. But if the moment you disclose, they will be able to copy. So then there will be a competition for you.
absolutely.
So, and you don't want that competition in front of you.
Wow. I mean, it looks as if I reveal it all, this competition, if I hide it all, then people think I'm hiding, I'm a liar. So there is no good way of putting things together and saying, oh, this is the
So
only
it's
way.
better to be quiet.
It's better to be quiet, is what you feel. Thank you so much for that. Let's go to Sumita Mendirata. Sumita, what do you think? What do you think is happening between the two extremes? Thoda dikhao, thoda chupao. Some things to hide, some things to kind of keep it and expose them or show them. And what are we doing this play, this dance of hiding and then showing and hiding and showing? What is this play that we are doing, and how does it have an effect according to you? Thank you.
So I believe I know this hide and seek game which we play with ourselves actually. It doesn't matter to the other people. It is what we are doing with ourselves. We are playing this game. Like I said, we teach children, or as a kid, I have played that hide and seek game, and I know that when I'm hidden, when I'm under a cover, nobody can find me. So that is my comfort zone, and I would go to that secret place, or that secret situation, or that connect to that secret person when I want to get that comfort, which I get at the first place when I'm in that place. And the same way, I would come out when I would be ready to face the world.
Wow.
So like, a lot of people go in hibernation, especially during COVID times. Most of us have got, not got the courage to get out of the house till we got that confidence that it's okay. Even if I go out, nothing will happen to me. So I have to get that confidence in myself till I step out. Otherwise, we were all in hiding, though it was mandatory, but still, for even essential services, a lot of people were not coming out of the house. So I believe that this is a covering which we do to ourselves. And like Gopu sir was saying, it is there in nature, like, like a lot of, like how we have seen a tortoise,
Yes,
walking.
inside.
So
Yeah.
only, yeah, so it is inside that, you can't really see that it's a tortoise or a stone. And the moment
Yeah.
it just takes out, so when the tortoise believes that, okay, I'm ready to face the world, it just takes out its, you know, cover out, and then just comes out of the hiding. So I believe we all have gone in the hiding only when we need that comfort zone. Once we are ready, once we know that it's okay that we can be in comfort zone when we're not in hiding, that confidence when you get, then you can get out and you can be public figure or 24/7. But most of us, at
Wow.
one place, just get into, we don't have that, trust in ourselves, that, that we lose that.
Ashwini Suri on the Facebook is saying, very good point. He's saying hiding maybe because of being judged or fear of being blamed or shamed or fear of loss. Absolutely, Ashwin. That is also a way and also a part of everything. Let's go on to Shahina. Shahina, ये दिखाने का और ये छुपाने की स्टोरी क्या है? हम कुछ छुपाते
ये
हैं,
जो
कुछ
अभी मेरे साथ चल रहा है, वीडियो ऑन ऑफ जो हो रहा है, एग्जैक्टली वही चल रहा है. So I am currently living in that moment. So for me, it is actually a perception management. So there are
Mhm.
two sides of perception management. One is I don't want to be hurted. Second is I don't want to hurt somebody else. At the
Very,
same time, I would not like if somebody blames me, and I would not like to blame somebody else. So for
very,
that, it is very important that if I don't want to be hurt or blamed or criticized, I would choose to hide things, which is
yeah,
not acceptable in certain groups. So we all
absolutely.
live in a society. There are different value systems. There are different belief systems, different way of living. There is no right or wrong. There is only different way of living. So I would choose in which group I should open up on certain topic, which will so that we are happily connecting with each other. At the same time, I also need to protect myself so that nobody else can come and hurt me or criticize me. So we say at times, we are very vulnerable people, but actually, I feel it's a lie. Nobody is 100% vulnerable. We all want to wear masks and feel protected, look good in front of people. So anybody who says I am an open book, you can read me anytime, is the biggest lie I could ever hear from somebody. So
Seem to be between who is the biggest liar and who is the biggest hider to who is the biggest person who can go without a mask. Somewhere I agree with you,
yeah,
Shahina. The manifestation of a mask on our face is because हमारे मुंह ने शायद इतना झूठ बोल दिया था, हम इतने झूठ बोल चुके थे, इतनी हाइड कर चुके थे और स्माइल ऐसा दे रहे थे लोगों को कि एवरीथिंग इज ओके, कि खुदा ने कहा चलो तेरे मुंह पे भी मास्क डाल देता हूँ, कपड़े तो तूने सारी जगह, जो बदतमीज मुंह है ना ज्यादा बोलता है, कर देता हूँ मैं. So
I can recollect of one person,
yes,
and that person, because that person used to share her secret with people, but
yes,
she was very alert that if I am sharing one secret, say with example with Anu, she will
yeah.
not share that secret with anybody else. So if that secret is revealed, she knows that Anu has done that. So that person's nature was that she couldn't keep anything with herself. She have to speak, but she was very alert with whom I'm sharing this part of the secret, so that if by any chance it is revealed, that person cannot escape.
Yes, absolutely.
So I've seen people making such strategies also.
Absolutely. We are having Jyoti Kothari speaking on the writing on the platform, and we are also welcoming Jyoti Dev. All of them are writing and saying that. So Jyoti Kothari is saying that we are scared of people because they are judging us, and
Exactly.
that's why we hide. So let's take that as a question: is judgment the only reason that we hide? Do you constantly feel judged? Are people really judging you? Or is it your perception that people are going to judge you? Over to Sumita.
Definitely, Anu, it's my perception. I don't know, I would be judged or not, but because I believe that, judgment is one of the reasons for hiding, or
Hmm.
it's an image, you know. So the moment you hide, your image goes undercover from whatever, like we cover our skin. So the skin is not shown, So it's a cover, a cloth is on my skin. So nobody can see that part. Whatever is there, it's my secret. Nobody knows. So the purpose of, definitely, and nobody can judge. Nobody can tell me what is the color, what is the thickness, what is nothing can nobody can tell me anything. And I am doing this purposely because I want to keep it covered. So if it is my perspective that I want to keep it in cover, definitely I would, go for that, because it is my fear that if this comes out, my life is gone, or some part of my personality is.
Basically, Sumita, what you're saying is it's not about people judging you, Bob. You're judging yourself, and
Yes,
you are the
it's
what are you going to show, what you're not going to show, and that's so
yes,
apparent even in dressing, isn't it? Some of
yes,
us will wear a bikini, some of us will not even
yeah,
will delay being found in a bikini, some of
yeah,
us want to wear a sari and wear a burqa and still feel exposed, some of
yes,
us will walk around nude. There have been cases where men and women and celebrity have walked around nude, and they
yes,
say, oh, we are okay with you seeing us like this and we
yes,
don't feel judged. Now maybe the other person on the other side gets scandalized and dies because they see you naked. That's a different
yeah.
story.
But
uh,
their perception is not bad about themselves, so they're absolutely fine about it.
Absolutely fine about it. In fact, you have so many people who are into exhibitionism and they
Yes,
show their private part to young girls and young boys, and they get a reaction. It's as if you're showing to get a reaction, as if you're to get a reaction, and when you get that
yeah,
reaction, you're feeling judged. That's how I
yes,
what I understood from your point of view. Very well said. So, Gopu sir,
yes.
uh, is it judgment? Is it judgment that we're going to get from other people that's making us decide what we're going to hide, what we're going to show?
Yeah, definitely. It's always judgmental because not only that, there is another aspect to this is that generally people want to know what is it that you're hiding. So there is a lot of inquisitiveness. अरे ये परी का क्या राज है यार कुछ तो छिपा रही है मेरे से let me go and talk to her or find out. So human mind is like that. If
Yes.
somebody is hiding something, the other person wants to know what he or she is hiding. So there
Pari
is a lot of
Gopu sir
what
is
is called prying or inquisitiveness or trying to dig out the hidden stuff. That is
absolutely.
always there in human mind. So, like Sumita mentioned, it is very judgmental and it is very psychological also because
Yeah,
a lot of human behavior happens due to secrets being there. So there are so many secrets people keep, and there are so many secrets people tell, and they will tell कि बाबा किसी को बताना नहीं है मैं तेरे को एक रात की बात बता रहा हूँ. But then that is like the Chinese whisper. It gets circulated all around with every person adding masala to it. And finally, when it reaches the last person, it's a totally different secret altogether. So this is the fun of life. I see a lot of humor and fun aspect to secret as well. Some
ab-
people will say secrets, which are a lot of fun, and some people will say secrets which are not to be told, but they will still tell for whatever. It could be attention seeking, or it could be real term kind of confiding in someone. There are various moods and swings that happen with secrets.
absolutely. And
That's how I.
something that's so heavy for you that you don't keep it. You want to share it with someone else. Something that's so heavy for you that you want to share it with someone else. You're putting a stoppage on that person and saying, don't tell anyone else. But have you ever
Exactly.
thought how heavy your secret is that even you can't hold it? You're again telling because you can't contain it in, because it's eating you up inside. You're not
Yeah.
telling them you will get judged. You are telling them because you want to find a solution. You can't contain it. And your expectation at that time is someone else will contain it. Jyoti Kothari is also saying another reason of this could be peace of family. We keep secrets for the peace of family and for the society. Okay. So let's go to Sumita and ask her right now. Sumita, do you really believe that the secrets are also kept for, for the peace of the family and for the society?
Yeah, because if I'm thinking that I'm being judged at any point, and then if I'm trying to hide myself from the from telling anybody or sharing anybody, the purpose definitely is a concern for my loved ones, my family, my friends. So if this comes out, oh, what is the image? So
Ah,
definitely about self image. If this comes out, then what is the self image created? A, a image which I have created for so many years is going to be, down the drain. So why would I do that?
very
And
good.
very rightly you said that if I'm going to share it with somebody, definitely at least I'm looking for a solution. And that is the only time when I decide that, oh, this is something which I need to work on. That awareness has to come in me. That, oh, this is a secret and I'm keeping it. I'm living it happily for years and years. But suddenly one day, I decide that, oh, this is something I need to work on. Why am I doing it? So that why question has to come in my mind, that this secret is no more needs to be a secret. It has to come out. And then I'll keep, seeking solutions for it. And then I'll go to the people whom I trust the most, that there I maybe I get a solution. But definitely that has to come in, that awareness has to come in, that a secret has to be, now being in open. So how will I get it in open? Obviously, it will may not be like suddenly I got up in the morning and I'll say, okay, now this is done. So I will take out some steps to do it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well said, Sumita. What do you think, Shahina? When do we really share our secret? Because there has to be reason for sharing the secret. There has to be, is it the judgment that is, what are we doing? Can you throw some light on it? Thank you so much.
So, as Anu, you have shared in one of your sessions that we constantly look for acknowledgement and acceptance. So, as a human being, I will be more closer to person who regularly or most of the time acknowledges my emotions or my what I would say, the person I am, and also acknowledge good or bad thing that I am doing. However, that is not the case with majority of the people. And as I am aware that I will not be acknowledged or accepted if I share my XYZ secret in this group of people, I would choose to hide. And
Yeah,
yes, this will also maintains peace in the family, society, gives happiness to friends. It's not about saying something, it's about not saying something which is not acceptable in that group. And that
absolutely.
is what we call that we are keeping certain things secret. And yes, of course, it is beneficial in its own, because I'm maintaining harmony and peace. And as Gopu sir also said, my intention is to maintain harmony and peace, but people are always inquisitive, क्या छुपा रही है,
क्या छुप
ये हमेशा ही कैसे खुश रह सकती है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, दाल में कुछ काला है.
कौन सी मिठाई खा रही है ये?
हाँ, मतलब चल क्या रहा है, ये जब भी पूछो सब अच्छा अच्छा ही बोलती है, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
Okay.
या अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो हमको क्यों नहीं बता रही है, किसी और को क्यों बता रही है, हम नहीं है क्या?
क्या हम इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं हो सकते? How much of dialogue? How much of dialogue? Internal
So
dialogue.
I said, once my sister said that, you call up your friends and you talk to them. You can say to us also. And I was in a very bad mood that day. So I said that I choose to talk to people who are expert in that field. So if I have to understand or take decision related to finance, I would choose to speak to my friends who are professional in finance, and similar for counseling. So after that, anything she asks, she's like, I know I am not expert, but you can tell it to me. तो न्यूज वालों को मसाला चाहिए होता है, वैसे आपके आसपास वालों को भी मसाला चाहिए होता है आपकी लाइफ के बारे में गॉसिप करने के लिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल चाहिए होता है. जीने लोग को जीने के लिए कुछ तो चाहिए, जस्ट लाइक पीने वालों को पीने का बहाना चाहिए, ऐसे ही वालों को राज चाहिए आपके. That will be सनसनीखेज
गॉसिप
न्यूज
करने के लिए.
to know.
नहीं,
Okay.
पर सोल्यूशन के लिए नहीं है, गॉसिपिंग करने के लिए.
हाँ, गॉसिपिंग कर, सोल्यूशन कोई नहीं ढूंढता आपके लिए, सोल्यूशन आपको खुद ही ढूंढना पड़ता है. Sometimes solutions are right in front of us. So गोपू सर, आपके लिए यह सवाल, कई बार between the husband and wife, they both want to create harmony. कुछ इस कदर छुपाते चले जाते हैं हम, कुछ इस कदर छुपाते चले जाते हैं हम कि कुछ सालों के बाद कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं बचा.
Very well said, I would
हाँ
say.
जी.
Yes, there is always in a partnership or a relationship, there is always there are secrets kept on both sides. So certain things we don't want to tell the other person, and certain times the other partner doesn't want to tell us something. So a raz or a secret is always kept within us until the circumstances or some kind of situation comes where you are compelled to tell that. तभी तो हम कहते हैं ना, अरे आज तो भांडन फूट गया.
आज तो भांडा,
भांडन फूट गया आज. And that is when you blurt it out, sometimes inadvertently, as they say. If there is a fight or something, it comes out and without your knowledge, and then you regret, oh shit, I said this. This
So
has
you should
happened.
follow my
This has
friend's
happened in
footsteps. Don't share one thing with two people.
Yeah. Correct. Exactly. Keep it to yourself or share it only with one person.
One
Anyway,
person.
life is like that, and especially if you see the fun side of it, there's a lot of fun in knowing secrets. I know in corporates there are so many secrets. किसी की किसी के साथ affair चल रहा है और only somebody knows about it, and they
Upset.
start gossip. Yeah, there's a lot of fun happening in corporates also.
बाथरूम में,
they ना
स्विमिंग,
बाथरूम में क्या हो रहा है, वो लोग दोनों देखो आज शाम को साथ में एक ही कार में गए and all that. So this kind of secrets, I would call them
No,
corporate
people also
secrets.
notice
maybe
कि दोनों ने same color का t-shirt पहना है आज. And I'm
अरे
like,
too
okay,
much.
big deal.
color
ये
color
दोनों same
coordinated
color का
है and
t-shirt
all.
क्यों पहन कर आए आज?
Absolutely. So this kind of things happen in corporates. It happens in real life. It happens in business. As I told you earlier about business secrets, and it happens all around us. Sometimes we are aware of it. Sometimes we are not aware of it. Sometimes we are very inquisitive to find out what it is. Sometimes we don't bother about it. Chalo,
Absolutely.
we come to know about it. Fine, otherwise forget about it. So all kinds of things happen around us, consciously and unconsciously. So this is what this secret is all about. The most important thing is it creates inquisitiveness. That is the most important thing. Everybody wants to know, and then that start. Did you know this? Did you know that? Will start.
Will tell you.
Don't tell anyone, kind of.
Anu, I have a question
secret
for
is
the
there.
forum.
हाँ बोलो ना. और गोपू
So
सर,
people here,
कुछ लिखा है फेसबुक में, जाके जरा देखिए, ज्योति कोठारी ने कुछ लिखा है आपके लिए. सुमिता, आप
जी.
पढ़ देना प्लीज.
And
yeah,
also,
so
you know something, before China starts, there is
एक,
a Secrets Act.
हाँ अच्छा, ऐसा
So
भी
there
है.
is a legal side to it, which we will take up later. Let China come up.
तो सुमिता जरा पढ़ दे, ज्योति कोठारी ने कुछ लिखा है.
या तो गोपू सर, कभी आप लोगों से शेयर करते हो तब वो लोग नाराज हो गए या लड़ाइयाँ हो गई तो सबको आप बता देंगे? दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू.
ये लड़ाई झगड़ा है ना, बहुत बड़ा मिर्ची मसाला वाला मामला है. If there is, yeah, it happens in very close knit groups. So if there is a problem between two people, and let's say that group consists of 8 or 10 people, one person comes to know, that fellow cannot resist himself from telling it to somebody else. अरे तेरे को मालूम है गोपू और इसका प्रॉब्लम है, पर पता नहीं तेरे को ये सब ऐसा लफड़ा है, या ऐसा लफड़ा है, वैसा लफड़ा है. So this is an issue which really happens in life, and it can really spoil a relationship. Honestly, I'm telling you, it can create havoc in a relationship between two people. That's what the secret can create. Like I said, now if the secret is opened up or it is revealed, then it's like a Pandora's box. It can open up a can of worms, and it could have a lot of repercussions. Yeah,
Sir,
that's what I would
कोठारी कह रही है
make.
सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं था क्वेश्चन, ये सबके लिए था सवाल. So we will look at this little later. First, coming to Pari. Pari, husband and wife or business partners or two friends start hiding from each other because they don't want to hurt each other. That's where it starts. But over a period of time, the hiding becomes so strong, so gehra, and you are so dying to keep that harmony that internally harmony to ja chuki hai. But अब एक दूसरे से
Anu,
बात,
may I answer before I forget my question?
please go ahead.
Sorry, Pari, to interrupt in between. Okay, so my question was on same line that two people keep secret so that there is peace and harmony in relationship and in home. However, if it is भांडा फूट जाता है जैसे गोपी सर बता रहे हैं, why we call it as a cheating?
Why is that cheating?
So intention may be that the person wants to, and it is not only for people here, also people who are watching on Facebook, please answer. So that is what question is, that if we understand that intention could be to maintain peace and harmony, then why, if somebody is hiding something and we get to know, suddenly we call it cheating?
Yeah.
Or what is cheating and what is good thing to hide? I need to understand the difference between both.
Definitely.
I personally don't take it as a cheating because it completely depends upon the person. Now, I am a kind of person like कि ठीक है नहीं बताना है कोई problem नहीं है, जब बताना होगा अपने आप आके बता देगा. Neither I ask the person a question. So for me, it's not a cheating. It's like just either the person is not comfortable, or it's like the person doesn't want to share certain things because he or she wants to keep it with him or her. And maybe that is one of the reason where I have so many of close friends and they keep on coming and sharing because they know I'm not going to judge them, I'm not going to tell. Like say for example, if there are I know so many things. Now there was this other one, there was this person, he was saying that if the person has had those things with you, and it completely depends upon the person. There may be certain things which the person has gone through with certain things in life, whether like he is not at that level where he might be like I will be judged because whatever things that happen. So, and second thing is between husband and wife, it completely depends upon their relation. Now there are certain things of my friends where I know about their office works, I know about but their wives are not aware, because he doesn't want his wife to be take that stress of his because the moment he goes and he or she goes and tells it to the partner, they will feel stressed, my those. So they are like, if they have to share something, they come and share it with me, and they are like, just keep it with you, don't share it with my partner, be it a husband or a wife, depend, vice versa. So it's completely depends upon the situation. Other thing is it depends upon the person, what the person has gone through. Like there might be certain or what kind of background the person is.
Pari, you've got muted. Pari, you've got muted.
Now it's okay?
Now it's okay.
Yeah. So say for example, if someone has come from a background where he has always been judged, so he or she will think about, before talking to someone else, if in case I am telling this to so and so person, even though how close the relationship would be, still the person will think twice or thrice before telling it to them. So I personally don't take it as a cheating. It depends upon, so one needs to keep their mind open, whatever the person is saying or hiding, respect that thing and understand, give the person a time to, come out with a thing or give that comfort zone to a person. If in case you want to know, then tell it in some way. If in case you have any issue or something, just come and if in case you're fine, comfortable with me, then come and tell us. But don't take it as a cheating.
Absolutely. It's not our perception. I would say the person who's taking it as cheating, they need to check their space and see what is it about their space that's getting triggered. But over to Sumita. Sumita, um, when husband and wife are constantly hiding, and now that नजदीकियां जो थी वो दूरियों में बदल गई है, हमने एक दूसरे को बताना बंद कर दिया है because either we feel that they are not interested or whatever, the communication has come to a standstill. And that's probably because we are thinking, oh, harmony chahiye, society kya kahegi, ye kya hoga, wo kya hoga, flana, and all that stuff. So what do you think about that kind of Raz? What can be done there? Can we help them or can we not help them? Thank you.
Definitely, they can be helped if they both want it, I would say. And if it's a need, communication is always need based. So when they both know among themselves that we have come a gap, even if they are not showing to the society, but once they get into their bedrooms, they know what is the story they are having. So if they need to change their bedroom story, they can keep a mask in front of their children, their loved ones, everybody. But once they are inside their room, they know the story. So, and if they are willing to break that silence, even if I would say if it is one person's need also, if that person is also willing to break the silence and start the conversation. So I would say not to wait for each other. One person, whosoever is the need is higher, that person can break the silence, and take a step forward. And it's like you ask for it and you are given. So it's a very individual choice, what. And also one more thing, I feel that when a secret is kept for a very long time, the secret actually loses its that importance. It is the fact that you are keeping it as a secret becomes more important. So when that secret would come after years and years, like if as a child I had a secret, if after years, if I'm sharing it with a lot of people and telling, it doesn't have any importance because now I'm talking it openly, because somewhere I've got that confidence now that yes, now when I tell that people will consider it and laugh it and don't take it seriously, kind of a thing, or they will not judge me. So it's ultimately my perception which is always coming when the secret is created, or the thing is
Beautiful point.
created.
Forth, like when we create the secret, we think it's one of the most biggest things, but when we reveal it, we have probably got over the secret and it doesn't hold that much of importance, and we're still holding on to it as if it's going to matter. So when we open our mouth, it just kind of energy disperses. Very well said. Shaina, the question is back to you. And again, maybe the same question that I put for Sumita, that when husband and wife or two partners, or there can be mom and dad, there can be any two people, they stop communication because they are not wanting the other person to feel bad. They don't want to tell the other person the truth क्योंकि उसको बुरा लग जाएगा. उसको मैं आज नहीं बोलूंगी, कल बोल दूंगी. अच्छा, कल भी नहीं बोलूंगी, परसों बोल दूंगी. अच्छा, बोलूंगी ही नहीं ना. कुछ लोग तो ऐसे होते हैं ना कि बोलना ही नहीं है बस, क्योंकि बोलना नहीं से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी. अकॉर्डिंग टू देम बोलने में कोई फायदा नहीं है, तो गूंगे रहो और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी. आपका इस पे क्या विचार है? गूंगा होना चाहिए कि बोल देना चाहिए?
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल तो गूंगा नहीं होना चाहिए. और मेरे जैसा इंसान तो कल भी नहीं बोलता है. मेरा जैसा इंसान तो ऑन द स्पॉट मुंह पे बोल देगा कि देख, शायद मेरी बात तेरे को बुरी लगे बट ये है. So that I feel is better when I talk about relationship. If I don't have that much liberty in my relationship to speak up, then there is a major problem in my relationship. Because when I say this is the relationship which is most close to my heart, be it husband and wife and all, I need this much liberty, and I give that much liberty to other person as well. That even if I feel bad, it's okay, but yes, speak up. We should have
बिल्कुल.
that much understanding between both of us. Otherwise, there is a major issue other than sharing the secret.
Absolutely. And Ashwin Suri is right now sharing and saying it's very true. It's like Kunti in Mahabharata. She went into complete silence and did. So yes, that will be complete breakdown of a relationship. I have a very burning question again, which is going on in my head. And we'll start with Pari. Just because outside a relationship looks good, just because from outside you look polished, could that mean that your inside is as beautiful as your outside? Could that mean your relationship is really that beautiful? I've seen men and women showing off the relationship, literally sitting into each other's laps and showing how intimate they are and how beautiful they are. Their relationship is brilliant. Would we say that such relationships have no problem because they have the ability to show what others don't have? So over to you, Pari.
Actually, I have one this thing, like, it may be my perception also, that those who are showing off too much, they actually don't have anything within themselves.
वो क्या बोलते हैं, खाली बर्तन
दिखावा,
आवाज.
हाथी के दांत दिखाने के और खाने के और.
हाँ,
Like,
okay.
because the kind of industry which I deal with, that is majorly into IT and ITS and major, they all work for US and UK timings, and the timings are the same thing. So there are 90% people have the relation, out of which only 10% sustain, rest 80%, rest of the, like, aya gaya kind of a relation.
No commitment.
No commitment. So it's not about the commitment, it's like, not only guys or even girls also, like, at one point in time they are going around 3 or 4 people at a time. Now I had this one of my friend, we met on some event. So I used to be a very innocent kind of a person, which like, I never used to understand all these things, and she told me once, तो मेरे साथ 1 महीना रहे, मैं तेरे को सिखाती हूँ कैसे 4 लोगों के साथ घुमा जाता है एक टाइम पे. And I'm like, thank you, but I don't want to get into all these things. मेरे को, so it depends upon, कि कैसा है, how you take it. So it doesn't mean that there's a person, so the more the person is showing the love, the care, and this doesn't mean that the person is actually loving and caring it to you. It's better, you, like, the person who have the, who what they are in their own space, because there may be, like, a lot of people, they don't know how to show it, but they are actually doing it for each other or for the others.
Thank you so much, Pari. That was very insightful. Gopu sir, जो लोग दिखाते हैं, people who show that, oh, the relationship is so good, my God, oh my God. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. Is it like that inside also? Do they really feel like that inside also? Or maybe they do feel like this. हम क्यों शक की निगाह से उनको देख रहे हैं? हो सकता है कि उनका relation inside also is so good. Or people who stand outside and say, oh, I do work for Nari Niketan and I do work for women and men empowerment. उनमें से मैं भी हूँ एक. हाँ, तो अंदर खोखले हैं. क्या ऐसे भी हो सकता है?
Anu, there are people who actually work for this forum. They actually don't do, they are just there to earn money, that's it. I tell you one example. Now this female, she was about to start an NGO for, helping the poor people to be, funded for the disease and all. But when her own friend's husband wanted her money for, the dialysis and for the transplantation, she was not able to help her. शी इज लाइक, हम लोग ऐसे नहीं देते, हम लोग पूरा, क्या बोलते हैं, हम लोगों को जहाँ से रिटर्न आता है हम लोग वहीं पे देते हैं. आई एम लाइक, व्हाट्स एन एनजीओ ऑल अबाउट?
Thank you.
Those people who do a lot of शोर शराबा and all, I actually don't trust them. I was like, वो खाली शोर शराबा है और कुछ नहीं.
बहुत शुक्रिया. And that was from दिल से. गोपू सर, आपके लिए सेम सवाल.
Yeah, so all that glitters is not gold.
Very well said.
Especially when you are on social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, whatever, you see a lot of photographs, you see a lot of videos, whatever. But what they are showing is not what actually it is. I always say that, from outside it may be glittering, but when you go inside, it's actually rusting. So there are two sides to the whole coin. So there are some people which are genuine. I do agree. There are both kinds of things that are shown. Some people who genuinely show that their relationship is very pure, genuine. They have love for each other. Blah blah blah. Whatever. Whereas there are others who actually are suffering a problem or having a broken relationship. They try to show the world through social media that they are absolutely fine, having a talking time together, like that. So, if you talk of human relationships, let me tell you, the span of human relationships are very short, extremely short. This is very, very rare that people have a very long, drawn relationship together. Uh, we can see that in very various parts of the world. When you go to the Western world, you will see that, some people have divorced 20 times and remarried. Somebody is marrying at the age of 92 also. So those kind of things do happen on the Western side. Whereas when you come slowly start moving towards the other side of the world, come to Europe or then come to Asia, things are so different. The people are living together for 100 years together. We've seen couples who are 92 and 96 who are sitting together and having fun. So there is the relationship is very, very, according to me, very brittle. अगर जोड़ अच्छा है तो जम के आगे बढ़ता है, अगर जोड़ वीक है तो टूट जाता है. So that is how I would.
कल का जोड़ चाहिए हो, कुछ तो चाहिए.
हाँ, जोड़
नहीं.
पक्का होना चाहिए.
हाँ हाँ, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. चलिए सुमिता सेम सवाल लेके चलते हैं. सुमिता, really, when we are looking at this kind of relationships, we're looking at where Gopu sir is saying ki, they are brittle, they are not lifelong, and I was laughing and saying ki Fevicol ka jod hona chahiye and stuff like that. So reality kya hai exactly aaj, where what are the masks that we are wearing on our relationships? What according to you are the masks and cover up that we have on our relationships?
One is definitely the public image, the status symbol. You belong to certain so and so family, so you cannot show up. You can't get your bedroom secret out of your bedroom at any cost. And also, like you said, media on the Facebook or on Insta. When you see a lot of photographs and suddenly you feel like, oh, as if I don't have any, I don't go anywhere. These people are having so much fun, and you feel like we should also go at least to Lonavala and get a picture clicked. मुझे तो अपने पति के साथ फोटो खिंचवाए बहुत टाइम हो गया. So you get that feeling, and people have reached to other end of the world, and wow. So I feel that somewhere it is to give that appearance on a public platform, like I think what we are doing right now is creating an awareness. We are here with a cause, and even they are doing with a cause. Definitely they have a need, we have a need, that we can create that awareness to people about these topics, and they have a need that the awareness is created, that they are together. Everything is fine. If they are going on a holiday, if they are having fun, so they need to put that fun pictures there, so that actually it is reconciling for them. Because I know a lot of people, they go on Facebook and check how many likes have we got on that picture, how many people have seen us. So they're constantly checking actually that what is like, my this picture is getting what. So what is it, what is the what is it exactly doing when I put this picture? Are people
TRP.
commenting? Yeah, it's like a serial TRP. How media people check the TRP of the serial. So it's like people check their TRP of the picture. And whereas I feel that somewhere, if you, I feel secret is more of a feeling. It's a feeling which we carry in our hearts deep down, that if this comes out somewhere deep down, it is created because I had a feeling, I had a need for that. Somewhere it was my feeling. It's an emotional thing from which all this whole word was created.
Absolutely. Shahina, आपके लिए सवाल है.
तो मैं 2-3 कहावत सोच के रखा था मैंने, और सबने ले लिया, तो मैंने भी एक नया वाला सोचा.
सोचना, बताना.
तो अभी जैसे सबने यूज कर लिया, मैं यूज कर रही हूँ, हाथी के दांत खाने के कुछ और होते हैं, दिखाने के कुछ और होते हैं, लेकिन इसका
हाँ,
मतलब
मैंने
ये
यूज
नहीं कि
कर
हाथी
लिया।
के दांत नहीं है। सुना, मैं यही बोलूंगी। ओके, so थिंग इज, तो जैसे हाथी के दांत खाने के कुछ और दिखाने के कुछ और होते हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स दो दांत है। तो अगर हम अच्छी चीजें देख रहे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स वो सच है, क्योंकि वो है, हमको दिख रही है सामने। बट एट द सेम टाइम, जैसे रोज रोज संडे नहीं आता है, एक इसमें यूज नहीं किया था, हाँ, तो जैसे रोज रोज संडे नहीं आता है, वैसे रोज रोज अच्छी मेमोरीज नहीं क्रिएट होती है। तो अगर मंडे ब्लूज होते हैं, तो लाइफ में भी फाइटिंग्स होती है, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, but yes, when they are going for outing, they choose to leave everything behind and enjoy that moment, and they choose to share that happy moment with the society, and not the things which they don't want to share. So both the things are actually true, कि दोनों होता है। सिर्फ एक ही चीज को देख के ना हमको जेलेसी फील करनी चाहिए, ना ही हमको सॉरी फील करना चाहिए, because there is night and day, there is good and bad, everything is there.
absolutely. Last question to the forum before we conclude. And the last question would be, I'll give you a situation and tell me whether what should be hidden and what should be exposed. There's a little child, this is for Gopu sir. There's a little child who is doing education on the platform. Okay. And because right now COVID ka waqt hai, so their all education is online. Suddenly this child comes across a movie which is a porn, and he hides because he knows this is something that he has never seen before in the real world. He hasn't seen his mom and dad like this, but he also realizes that when he's watching that porn, that it's giving him sensations and feelings that he has never had otherwise. What is an advice for this little boy? And the boy is not more than 10 years of age. Gopu sir.
Yeah, no. This is very relevant today because last 1 year now, education is all happening online, and I'm finding that mothers are more at stress having the child at home than having sent them to school because they are having to constantly monitor and
To
keep a
continue
vigil.
on the discussion, please.
Yeah, so they are continuously having to keep a vigil and monitor the child's action while taking the education classes or online classes. But the point is that the laptop or whatever device they are using to get onto these online classes, I know of mothers who are constantly with the child. Uh, they may not be, visible on the screen, but they're quietly sitting in one corner or standing in a corner and watching what's happening with her son or daughter. So there is a constant vigil which needs to be done. uh, Now today with so much of internet exposure and devices and apps and so many things, it's very easy for a child to access porn video. So it's better to block those sites or block those kind of apps or videos which are coming online, and then give that device to the child, and at the same time keep a vigil and monitor on what the child is doing. Because at that age, if we are talking about age less than 10, it's a very nascent age of growing up, and they are still not grown up to know what are the private parts for and what is sex and what is all this business of porn and sexuality. So it's better to be careful than be sorry later on. So I would say that constant vigil, keep a tab, block
About
the
that,
site. That's what you need to know in terms of internet because of the vast data that is available on internet. You need to monitor sites or block sites. So I would say that mothers are put on more stress due to online classes than offline. That's where that's my
Much,
take on.
Sir, and I thank you everyone for continuing even when I was not there. And that's the whole beauty of this forum. I love because you are friends. You are not somebody who are going to sit down and question ki mujhe bula ke bhag gayi. But so I had a person knocking on my door and giving me a parcel and saying ki mujhe itne paise de do, and I requested 15 minute ruk jao, which didn't happen. So anyway, it's got settled. Right now, let's go to Sumita Mendirata and take a situation. The man is having an affair and you catch him, and that man is your husband. You catch him red-handed. What will you do? Hide it from the world or get out of marriage? Thank you. Chupaogi ke bataogi? What will you do?
I would first do a confrontation, more than chupana and batana. That more than that is important is that I need to, talk to him and
Right.
understand what has been going. So
Okay.
it doesn't matter to me that किसी को छुपाना है या बताना है. Definitely, people who are close to me will come to know after the communication I have with my husband, and
Mm-hmm.
after I understand what is the situation around, what made him do that, and what was the real reason. Because somewhere, if he has hidden, there would be a reason. We don't do anything without a reason. We don't do anything without a need. So if that was the reason, and where he did it for a purpose. And if I am, good enough to understand that purpose, and take that contribution and share that, okay, if this was the reason and this thing. So definitely, right now I am not in a position to say that I would get out of marriage or take that a decision. That is another extreme. But definitely, I would think about it and be mindful when I take a decision about any decision, I would say, in life.
Thank you so much, Sumita, for that. Very well answered. Let's go to Pari. Please unmute yourself, Pari. The situation is the man is making an ass of you. The man is making an ass of you. He already has a wife, he already has a child. He already also, despite having his wife and child, he already also has another girlfriend. And he sees you and you really like him because he's good to talk with. And you fall in love with him.
So
And then you come to know from someone else because when you ask him, he hides it from you. He hides his wife, his child, his other girlfriend. He also hides why he is doing what
no,
he
the
is doing.
situation had happened once,
Okay,
but
I'm so,
so now what happened? I'll tell you.
yes,
Now this person, he was. Wait, let me just give me time. Give me 1 sec.
sure.
Now somewhere
You've got frozen. Pari, you've got frozen. परी आप फ्रीज हो गई हैं. चलिए शाइना आप आंसर कर दीजिए उनके बिहाफ पे. यस परी, you're back.
So I'm like, I don't know you. Let's be a friend first, and then we'll decide ki kya karna hai, because I don't know you. Neither we have met a single time. It's just like on social media I know you, and he was candid at one point in time. So he felt that, and I am like कि ठीक है अभी वो 1 महीना बात हुआ 2 महीना बात हुआ. He again come back. So what you have decided? I'm like, I don't know anything about you. And so he was like, all of a sudden, no, I want to. And there were these two friends of mine. He was like, किसी से बात नहीं करते, जाके मिल तो सही एक बार. I'm like, I'm not feeling like meeting because whatever he's saying, it's okay, but I'm not feeling it like. In fact, there were two incidents. So one person was like, whenever he's coming to meet me, he's meeting me with an accident twice. The second time when he met me, I was like, is there something wrong going on in your mind? He's like, if I have to tell you frankly, actually, yes. I'm like, thank you. Now, please don't call me. have always been protected towards me. And this other incident is like, he was behind me. I was like, okay, if you want, you can come down to my home and you can talk to the family members. Let's see how it goes. I don't want to get into all these things. He's like, no, first I want to meet you. I was like, I am not a person who meet anyone outside because I don't know you. You were my candidate, you were like this Assam. बाद में मेरे को खुजली चढ़ी मैंने कहा we do a background verification everything. I'm like, let me do his verification. I knew someone or the other in the organization. I know a lot of people. So uski the place where he was working, I didn't knew anyone. I was like, abhi kaise pata karu? And then then I got to know that that the person is after almost like 15-20 days. I got to know that the person is married and he is having a child.
Wow.
So I told him, why you are lying to me? He's like,
Wow.
no, I didn't lie. I swear. I'm like, see, I am into recruitment and do a verification. When you are behind me and you are not coming this thing because I am a simple person, best है कि तू घर पे आके बात कर ले तेरे को जो भी करना है. I'm not a person till the time I don't know you. I will not come and meet you. So,
Yes.
and he was like, no, but just because I'm not gelling with my wife and all those stuff. I'm like, listen, I don't want to listen to your crap. I know what is this. Better you stay away. So I have actually gone into all the situation and I do all the verification before even getting into all these things.
Wow. So let's go to the next person and let's take this situation for Shahina. Shahina, what if there is a secret marriage that's already happened? You've already gone and got married to someone, but you haven't told anyone about it. It's already, you both have taken vows and you both know each other very well. Vows. And with God's grace, you're carrying a baby. What will you do? You will hide or you will tell?
Tell who?
People at home.
I will tell. I will not hide from my family. I will tell. And of course, I will ask their suggestion. I can share my thoughts, what I feel for future. I can take their suggestion and mutually come to a conclusion. I would not hide.
Wonderful. So I have over here, I'm going to conclude the session today. I think it's a very brave panel because I picked up the topics which were not easy for them to deal with. So I have deep acknowledgement for Shahina, Pari, Sumita, as well as Gopu, sir, and all the people on the forum, because the questions that I asked, if somebody had asked me the same questions, I might freeze for a minute. I might just say ये क्या बदतमीजी है मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे बुला के ऐसे वाले सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. Now, can you understand the kind of rapport that you have to have with people to even ask questions like this, and the kind of commitment that you have to have in your bones to bring this kind of topic out to you? Okay. Conclude with saying, panel taught me a lot, and one of the first things that they taught me is all the hiding and all the giving out, you decide. You decide how much you want to expose and how much you want to give. And if we decide, who are we then to blame the society or anyone else? It is our choice that we have taken. And those choices are made under circumstances which are to protect ourselves or someone else. And what is wrong with protecting someone or ourselves? So this is where I conclude the session. I would go over to Shahina and ask her to give her Vishesh Tipni so that we can conclude the session. Thank you.
So there is no Vishesh Tippani as such, but yes, anything that make you stay more comfortable and peaceful, and you are happy hiding and keeping it a secret, I would do that rather than disturbing my life and other people's life.
Shabash. Pari, what would you say?
I'm no one to say anything to anyone because everyone is very much experienced. They know what they have to do. They do understand what needs to be done and what needs to be hid and what needs to be shared. So it's completely up to them what they have to take, how they have to take it their life.
Absolutely. Wonderfully said. Let's go over to Sumita.
So to conclude, I would say that, what we are hiding is our own feelings, it's our own emotions what you are hiding. And once you become comfortable about, revealing your emotional side, your challenges, your weaknesses, and not just showing your strengths only, to whomsoever you feel that, this is the right person, or my partner, my loved ones, even your children, very important that what you are giving your energy to your children, that when you are talking about your weaknesses, your challenges, your difficulties to your children, so then I think you become very transparent with your children, and then they can confide in you, because that's as parents, I'm a mom to a 8-year-old child. So as a parent, I would really, you know tell, as an adult we have a choice. You can either hide your secret or show your secret, but what, as a skill, what we are teaching to our children is we don't give them choice. We tell them, beta, tell us everything. Now how will they tell us everything, when we are not telling them everything? When we are choosing and saying, no, this is something I will not tell. I understand they are at an age where they cannot understand so many things, like asked a question about a 10-year-old boy. And I was just having a chat in the mornings with one of the moms, and she was like, I have to tell my elder daughter to keep a check on my son, what is he doing. And the son is actually not liking it, because every time you are checking on somebody, they don't like, they
No, they
feel
don't.
that it's a, yeah, so nobody likes that. So, but then she said, what do I do? How do I do it? Because I know it's a critical age, and, I'm really scared. So I would say that, when we are so scared about so many things, and when somewhere in the back of my mind, I know my child is hiding something. So why am I not coming in open and, talking to my child about all my areas of difficulty and challenges and everything? Then somewhere my child would understand that, oh yes, if my mom can talk to me so much, why can't I? And that is my personal experience, that when I share with my daughter everything about myself, in terms of my difficulties, my challenges, my emotional side, where I say that, this is something I'm not able to, handle out. Somewhere she's definitely understanding it, and, acknowledging it, I would say. And from there, I think she would also, she gets a, like a rapport with me to, share. That is what we all concluded, that, the person has to, as a rapport, to share the secret. So I feel that rapport building is really important.
Thank you so much, everyone. I mean, amazing stuff. Tomorrow, we are going to be talking on the topic where I believe that what we've spoken today is the roles that we are playing in anybody's life. And the role that we are playing is either we are protecting ourselves or we are protecting other people. We also I play myself a role of being a mentor, a teacher, a daughter, a wife, so many roles, so many roles. And how do we then keep our balance going during these roles? So I think that will be a brilliant topic to pick up. And I would really invite the panelists to be here. And how are the roles that you're playing in your life impacting you and others? Or are we living only the roles, or are we doing something beyond that? Sometimes we get caught up in these roles. I have to be a daughter and I can't think of myself. Your parents never asked you to do that. So there is always a conflict going on because you are part of a story that you've created for yourself. So tomorrow at 4 o'clock, we will be having this session. And I really request whoever can be there to be there from the panel. And if anybody else wants to be part of us, including Jyoti Kothari, if she wants to be part of the panel, that would be brilliant and beautiful. You're most welcome. You just have to send me a message saying, yes, I'm interested. You can put that message on the Facebook so that I know that you're really interested, and so that I can send you the link to be here. And again, thank you very much, all of you, with a very notice. I went back,
Thank you. Welcome.
really. It means so much, adding so many things to my life, that I feel very, very blessed to have you in my life. Today, we have completed 27 days of doing this.
Wow.
Wow.
Days of doing this.
Fantastic.
And so has just gone on. And you saw how I had to get up in the middle. There's stuff going on. I rotated my table. There is this stuff going on in everyone's life. But the show must go on. And it doesn't matter how we look to you or how the room looks to you. What matters is what we get for you. And if you feel that there is any other topic that we need to discuss, please put it down on the Facebook so that I can have a look at it and look at it again. Thank you so much. Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. See you.
Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Again.